Let's have a look. So the priming towers have caught some of these boogers. This nozzle for some reason had more hairs, and this is what we got. The hole looks extremely clean. Let's try to focus here. Looks really clean, smooth, silky smooth, perfect. And now I got all these things. Strangely enough, I still get some of these boogers on that, even though the perch tower is supposed to catch it. So it's not releasing it very well from the nozzle, it looks like. Overall, technically speaking, this is nearly flawless print. The only problem is the boogers, the few little boogers on this corner, and then these fine wisps. Might hit it with a blowtorch, see what happens. A little bit of a bridging defect. Otherwise, nearly perfect. So a little more tuning. If you have some ideas why it's wisping so much, is my filament too moist, too wet? Is it too humid in here? Could be. But the hole is flawless. This is 0.2 millimeter layer lines. Looks like an SLA. I mean, it's just amazing. Even you can see, can it focus? Even I didn't paint on a seam to the back like I usually do, and you can see some seams. They're so tiny, so flawless. So that's my hairy little benchy. I'm sure we can get this better, but the quality otherwise is almost spot on.